And welcome back. Olympic gymnast Danusia Francis has announced her retirement from the sport. The 28-year-old made the announcement on Sunday. Karen Madden reports.
Danusia Francis, who previously competed for Great Britain, became the second Jamaican woman to compete at the Olympic Games when she qualified for the 2020 Tokyo Games. But that Olympic dream became a near nightmare when 2 days before the competition, Francis received a confirmation that she had a torn ACL and she was forced to do an extremely limited routine in the uneven bars only. Now, the 28-year-old who recently got married has decided that Olympic Games will be her last.
I am so grateful and thankful for all the opportunities I've had in this sport. To be a Jamaican Olympian is an absolute dream come true. I want to give a massive thank you to Jamaica Gymnastics and the JOA for believing in me, funding me, and for the opportunity to represent Jamaica on the biggest stage. I will treasure the memories forever.
But Francis says she will devote her time in other areas.
I also want to say that I would love to always be a part of the sport in Jamaica, help it improve and grow. Anytime I'm in Jamaica, I'm definitely going to be coming to the gym, doing some coaching, and I'll always be on the other side of the phone for advice, for whatever it might be and however I can help. I'm just so thankful, so grateful. I'm definitely going to be continuing in the sport. I have always loved this sport. I've got such a passion for it, so I'm going to be helping as much as I can to keep progressing it and moving it forward, and also doing hopefully a lot more hosting and presenting jobs within the sport and also outside the sport.
And the president of the Jamaica Gymnastics Association, Nicole Grant Brown, expressed gratitude to Francis and looked ahead to what's next.
It is truly an honor to have had Danusia Francis as part of the Jamaica Gymnastics team. She has helped to grow the sport in so many ways. Competing for Jamaica at so many important gymnastics meets, putting us out there and showing the world that Jamaica do have the ability to be great in the sport. Being the first female gymnast to qualify Jamaica for the Olympic test event in 2016 opened doors for us, and she played her part in enabling our birth to the 2016 Olympics.
Francis, who also represented UCLA in NCAA gymnastics, was also the first woman to qualify Jamaica for the Olympic test event in 2016, but was not named to that team. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.